Kuka näitä pitää asiakirjoja?
No jos ei muuta, niin sinä. Alha vähän lukea. Tämä on kyllä.
To fully participate in and be represented by that process.
Peace process which led to the memorandum of understanding between the government of Indonesia. This is a beginning of a new era for Aceh. Much hard work lies ahead. With signing, both parties commit themselves not to undertake any action inconsistent with the letter or spirit of the Memorandum of Understanding. It is of utmost importance that the parties honor the commitments they have made in the agreement.
On behalf of the people of Aceh, our wali negara kekuasaan ditirong.
However, the number of troops that will remain in Aceh does not appear to correspond with the usual requirements of the Indonesian military's territorial structure. At the end of this process, there will be around twice as many troops to be stationed in Aceh as any other area in Indonesia. This outcome cannot be explained by a focus on external defense, and it does not create confidence in the TNI's intentions.
Gentlemen, this process would not have been possible without the generous support.
We now call on the international community to voice its opposition to the continuing presence of militias in Aceh at this time of working for peace.
We aim to end violence and to begin a new life. Our commitment is to value human life for human dignity. With this peace accord, we are hoping that no more children become orphans. We cannot afford our women become widows. Parents will not lose their lovely children anymore. Tears and blood must be stopped. Sadness must be ended.
Dengan bagaimana kita, bangsa dan negara Indonesia, menyukseskan apa-apa yang telah berhasil kita